40 years to the Five Links business opportunity. Are you ready to learn about an exciting opportunity that can change your life forever? We're not just talking about another job. We're talking about the opportunity to control your time and financial future. Are you really living the life you deserve? Are you spending enough time with your family? Is your retirement plan on course? You can get control of your life again by building a business that helps you control your time, your money, and your freedom. Did you know that more than 95% of Americans and Canadians work for someone else for 40 years or more and still never achieve their financial goals? Will that be you? You can break out of that 40-year plan and realize the success and lifestyle that you deserve. We are living in an exciting time where business ownership and financial success are no longer dependent on where you live or how much experience you have. With Five Links, you can enjoy all the freedom and benefits of working for yourself on your own terms, providing you and your family with a sense of security and peace of mind that others can only dream about. Five Links launched operations in the spring of 2001 with a simple philosophy: representatives come first. This philosophy, combined with the 5 core principles of Five Links: vision, integrity, opportunity, freedom, and success, form the foundation of the company's unprecedented success. Each year, Inc. magazine, a highly respected business publication, tracks the 500 fastest growing private companies in North America. Five Links was featured in this prestigious list as one of the fastest growing companies for an unprecedented 4 consecutive years, experiencing a growth rate of over 800% during that time. In addition, Five Links has been on the Inc. 5000 list for 6 years straight. In 2012, the Direct Selling News, the direct sales industry's premier publication, named Five Links to its Global 100 list, officially making Five Links one of the 100 largest direct sales companies in the world. The stability of the company was further documented in recent issues of Success from Home and Your Business at Home magazines. These publications were dedicated to showcasing the company's tremendous success and included lifestyle stories on many of the most successful individuals in the Five Links opportunity. In October 2007, Five Links, based in Rochester, New York, completed a state-of-the-art 50,000 square foot world headquarters. In May of 2010, Five Links expanded internationally, allowing representatives in Canada to sell Five Links products and services. Then in January 2011, Five Links expanded operations with an office in Santa Barbara, California. With the construction of this new facility,